In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automatic candlestick detection on TradingView. If you're a trader looking to save time and improve your technical analysis, this feature can be a game changer. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. First off, you'll need to open TradingView and pull up the chart you want to work with. Once you have your chart open, you're going to want to focus on setting it up for candlestick analysis. TradingView provides a plethora of chart types, but today we're going to work on utilizing the candlestick chart because it's essential for identifying patterns automatically. Now, with your chart in view, look for the option labeled Bars on the toolbar. Usually, this option is located at the top left side of the chart interface. When you click on Bars, you'll see various styles of displaying price data. The next crucial step is to select Candles from the drop-down menu. This will transform your chart view to candlesticks, which are ideal for spotting both doji and engulfing patterns. Next, we need to integrate the indicators that will essentially do the detection work for us. Navigate over to the top of your chart and locate the Indicators button. Clicking on it will unveil a vast library of tools and functions. Our focus right now should be on technical indicators. Go ahead and click on the Technical tab to refine your search options. Once inside the Technical Indicators library, you need to move to another specialized section. Scroll down until you find the Pattern Recognition section. Here's where things get really interesting, because these indicators are specifically designed to find and highlight patterns within your price data automatically. Keep scrolling and click on All Candlestick Patterns. This powerful tool will comb through all your chart data, searching for key candlestick formations. Once you activate this, all relevant candlestick patterns will automatically start popping up on your TradingView chart, giving you visual clues on potential market movements. At this point, patterns such as the Doji and engulfing candlesticks will start appearing. These patterns can signal potential trend reversals or continuations, making them incredibly useful for decision-making and trading. If set up correctly, you should now see Doji and engulfing indicators marked directly on your chart, providing invaluable insights with minimal effort on your part. And there you have it, your very own automatic candlestick detection system on TradingView. This setup will not only save you time, but also allow you to make more informed trading decisions swiftly. Remember, while these detections are powerful, they should always be used in conjunction with a comprehensive trading strategy for the best results. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.